If OneDrive is giving you an error on Windows 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes you can try right now to get it working again. These steps are simple, safe, and they often solve the most common OneDrive sync and sign-in problems without needing any advanced tech knowledge. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart OneDrive. Sometimes the app just gets stuck in the background, and a quick restart is enough to clear the issue. To do that, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar. Right-click that icon, then click Quit OneDrive. Once it fully closes, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. After it reopens, wait a moment and check whether the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. OneDrive depends on a stable connection to sync your files properly, so if your network is unstable, errors can appear. Open your web browser and visit a few websites. If pages are not loading, reconnect to Wi-Fi or restart your router. Once your connection is stable again, go back and open OneDrive to see if the problem has cleared. Another useful fix is to pause and resume syncing. This refreshes the sync process and can help OneDrive recover from temporary glitches. Click the OneDrive cloud icon again, then select the gear icon to open the menu. From there, choose Pause Syncing. Wait about 1 minute, then go back to the same menu and click Resume Syncing. After that, give OneDrive a few seconds to reconnect and check if it starts working normally. If OneDrive is still showing an error, try signing out and signing back in. This can fix account-related issues and refresh your connection to Microsoft servers. Click the OneDrive cloud icon, then open the gear icon and go to Settings. Inside the Settings window, open the Account tab. Now click Unlink this PC. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your files. It simply disconnects your account from OneDrive on this device. After that, open OneDrive again from the Start menu and sign back in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in again, let it resync and check whether the error is resolved. If none of those steps worked, the final fix is to reset OneDrive. This is one of the most effective solutions for stubborn errors on Windows 10. To do it, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type this command exactly as shown: c:\/program files\Microsoft OneDrive\OneDrive.exe/reset. After typing it, press Enter. OneDrive may disappear for a moment, and that's completely normal. Wait about 2 minutes so the reset can finish. Then open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. Give it a little time to reload and reconnect your files. At this point, OneDrive should be working properly again. If the error was caused by a temporary sync issue, a connection problem, or a corrupted app state, one of these fixes should solve it. And remember, the most important steps are usually restarting OneDrive first, then checking your internet, then trying the reset if needed. If this video helped you fix OneDrive on Windows 10, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.